Hey, are you using a firewall? I bet you are not. You think it's not required for your website and your business is totally secure, right? Well, let me tell you, it's a no. Hey there guys, I am Moksh and I'm a security engineer at Astra. So today we'll talk about why your website needs a firewall. But wait, I'm already running my website on HTTPS. So then I have done my part in securing my website. HTTPS is a totally different story. It won't protect your website from database and other website hacks. It just encrypts the communication between the server and the client. But what if the client itself is a hacker? If you are using a custom coded website such as in PHP, Python and others, there is a huge possibility that your developers aren't following the secure coding guidelines. Also, if you're using a CMS for your website such as WordPress, Joomla, OpenCart and so on, there's always a possibility of high impact attacks such as in the case of DOS and DDoS, malware infections, excesses, price manipulation, zero-day exploits and whatnot. And only a firewall can protect your website and your business before a patch is actually released. And there's more to a firewall than just protection. It enhances your website's speed and performance through advanced caching mechanisms. It blocks unwanted web traffic from accessing your website. It also scans your website for malware infections and make it a lot easier to remove such malware from your website at a lot lower cost than you would pay otherwise. Also, some firewalls like Astra are highly customizable to suit the needs of your website. We also provide extraordinary support to our clients, on-demand malware scanner, and Astra Trust Seal so that your customers also feel secure while on your website and builds a trust with your brand. So what are you waiting for? Get an Astra demo right away and see how we can secure your website. Till then, stay safe and happy security to you.